Hello guys, welcome back to Learn Tech School. My name is Eric. Today we are going to learn about on how to use Google Calendar. This tutorial is basically for beginners. Google Calendar is a free online tool that is owned by Google, which helps you to schedule events, tasks, meetings, and reminder. Google Calendar, it is a cloud-based and easy to use. You can synchronize with your device and you can access it anywhere, anytime that you want. In order for you to get access into Google Calendar, you need to have a Google account. So after signing in to Google account, head over to the Google search and you type in Google Calendar on it. After typing in, then head over to the first selection and you click. Then it's going to direct you to the calendar. Another way, add a tab key, then head over to Google Apps, then select Google Calendar and click to direct you to the same place of our Google Calendar. After the calendar has opened up, we have the calendar grid. The calendar grid consisting of events that are displayed on our calendar. On the top we have the menu, the logo, the today's button, the arrow keys left and right. We have month displayed plus the year. We have the search button, support, settings menu, viewpoint where you can view your calendar. We have switch into calendar, we have switch into task, then we have Google Apps launcher, then we have Google account, we have the create button. Next we have this display of calendar's month that you are in. Next we have this place you can search for people using emails or names. You have booking pages. You can just click on the plus sign, my calendars that are displaying. All of these are calendars that are displaying at the moment. You have other calendars. You can either create another calendar by just clicking on the plus sign, like holiday in Kenya's. In create button, if you click on the drop down arrow, you'll be able to create an event, task, or schedule an appointment. Now let us go on and we create an event in the same place. Next we will be entering the details of our event. Let us start with the title, comedy show. Then next we proceed to the date and time of our event, that is today. Our event will take place at 4:30 to 6. Let's select 4:30 first. Next, we're going to select if the event is going to be a one-day affair or not on this place all day. Next, if it is a repeat event, we are going to click on the drop down. If it is not, just leave it there it is. We are going to add guests here by typing their email address. But for this, we have no guest, we're just going to leave it the way it is. Next, we're going to add location where our event is going to take place. That is in Baraki Sports Club. Next, we're going to add description of our events or some a little bit notes. If you have that, is optional. You scroll downwards. You're going to set a notification for our event to notify us at least. You can choose any of this, but you're going to choose 1 hour before the event taking place notification. Then we will load over to the event calendar and we choose the type of calendar that we have, that is events. Lastly, we're going to click on save the event. Then we're going to click on today so that you can see the display of our event. It's here. You can also edit or delete an event. Just click on the event, then the pencil icon represents the edit, the delete icon represents by the dustbin. Let's click on the edit. You can also change the title of the event. You can also change the time of the event that it will take place. Also, you can change the occurrence of the event. Is it going to be a repeat event? On these options that you have, you can also add a Google Meet video conferencing on the event. You can also choose a different calendar for the event. Change the color of the event. You can also choose to display if you are busy or free on the event day. You can change the visibility of the event, either to be public or private. You also have the options of adding a description of the event. You can add new guests by typing their emails also. You can give guests permissions to modify the event. Click on the check. You can invite also others. Then lastly, click on save. The calendar also gives you an option for you to set an event to repeat. Now let's take an example of our business meeting. Click on it. Then click on the pencil icon for editing. Now on this part, let's say we want to set a repeat of this business to be repeating from every Wednesday to Wednesday. Let's go to the recurring part, do not repeat. Then you click on the drop down arrow. Here there are several options. There is the daily option. You can choose weekly on Wednesday or monthly on the first Wednesday, annually every day, or you can set your own custom. We are going to click on weekly on Wednesday. Then after doing that, just automatically click on save. That's how to set a recurring or a repeating event. Also, Google Calendar gives you the option of viewing the calendar in different format. Let's say daily, weekly, monthly. So for you to be able to do that, you just straight away head over to viewpoint and you click on the drop down arrow. Then you can select day and you'll see all the events taking place in a day. You can scroll downwards and you see if there's other events. You can click on the drop down again and you click on weekly and you see all the events scheduled in that week. Then click again on the drop down arrow and you see monthly events taking place in a month, in a year. You see the calendar display. Next, you can click on schedule and you see all the scheduled event of this month, starting from 1st October Wednesday. Schedule events. Scroll downwards. Let us return it. We can click on the 4 days events option. The 4 days in the first month that we have. These are the scheduled events. Then lastly, we're going to click on the first day. to return it back to the way it was. That's how to change calendar view. You can also share Google Calendar with your colleagues. Just straight away head over to the left panel and you have on the calendar name that you want to share. I'm going to select on job view, then click on the three dots, then you click on settings and share. Next, I'm going to click share with option and I click add people and group on it. There I can enter the email address of the person that I would like to share my calendar with. After inserting the email address, next I'll add in permissions or see only, free or busy, see all events, make changes to the events, make changes and manage sharing. Next, when I'm done, then I'll click on send. Google Calendar also gives you the ability to create a task. So in order for you to create a task, click on the create button, drop down arrow, then select task, that title, that is will be going for shopping. You can choose the date and time. We'll be going for shopping at 3. Next, we're going to choose if our event is going to be repeated or not. You can add a little bit of description of events, then click save. You can also change a calendar's color in Google Calendar. Just straight away head over to the My Calendar section and pick the calendar that you need to change in the color. And you click on the dots, 3 dots. Then choose a color of your choice. With me, I'm going to click on this medium purple. And you'll see in my calendar, monthly grid, you'll see all colors have changed into purple. You can also search an event on Google Calendar. For you to do that, just straight away head over to the search icon and you click on it. Next, type in the event name. That is, for example, you're searching for business meeting. The moment you keep on typing, you see names relating to that popping up with the date and time of the events taking place. So amongst those you select, then it's going to show you the details of the event, the date, the time. Just click on close. Next, we're going to try another event. Let's say this time round we're searching for comedy show. Then click on it. You see also its details, the date, time, and the place, the hour, and the calendar that is in. So on this event, we are going to add another reminder to notify us by email before the event occurs. So we are going to select the event, that is Mombasa Agricultural Show. Click. Then we will head over to the pencil icon for editing. Then we'll head over straight away to notification. So you see the first notification, that is 30 minutes earlier before the event. We are going to add another notification. Then click on the drop down, choose email. Then we're going to, at least to be 1 day before the event, we're going to select, we're going to make it to be 1 day. Then we're going to click on the drop down and then choose days. Then we click save. Then here we're going to choose all events, then click OK. And that's it. Now you know to get the most out of Google Calendar, whether you're managing work meetings, school deadlines, or personal tasks. This tool can seriously boost your productivity. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorial videos just like this. Got a question or want to see more tips? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear out from you. Thanks for watching. Happy planning.